Hello, everyone. Thank you very much for joining today's session on ART, that is AI assisted review tool for marketing creatives by Rohit Bhugade, Pariti Jain, and Himanshu Bhatt. We are all from American Express AI Labs. The outline for today's presentation would be I'll give you a brief overview of what a creative review process looks like. I'll then quickly talk about what our solution has to offer to solve creative review process. We'll also talk about the novel features that we have introduced as part of our solution, that is structured representation, creative comparison, understanding error comments, and matching. I'll end my talk with the demonstration of our tool. So in order to understand what creative review process is, I'll introduce two personas. Uh, the first one being marketer. A marketer is nothing but an author whose job is to create and edit the marketing material. The second persona is a reviewer. A reviewer's responsibility is to make sure that the creative which the marketer created is compliant, and if any issues are discovered in the creative, then the reviewer recommends those issues back to the marketer. So, in a typical review process, the marketer would first create the creative, it then passes on to a reviewer who runs several checks on the creative. And if the creative passes all the checks, this is approved, and the creative then goes for campaign launch. If on the other hand, the creative is not able to pass some of the checks, then the reviewer would provide comments back to the marketer. The marketer's job now is to take those recommendations and make edits to the creative. Once those edits are made, this resubmitted or the revised copy is submitted back to the reviewer for his review. So as you can see, this process continues until the reviewer is satisfied and all the checks are passed and the creative is approved. So this process is very lengthy. Um, it's laborious. It needs huge amount of focus from reviewer because he needs to make sure that marketer did not introduce any unsolicited changes, and he also needs to ensure that whatever recommendations he had provided earlier were incorporated now. So in order to help the reviewers to quickly review their creatives, we introduce AI assisted review tool. The primary objective of this tool is to assist reviewers to validate whether the comments which were provided by the reviewers are incorporated in the revised creative or not. The tool also validates if there are any unsolicited changes being introduced by the marketer in the revised creative. Here's the process flow of our solution, AART. It comprises of four stages. First one being structured representation, the second one being document comparison, third one being understanding error comments, which were provided by the reviewer to the marketer, and the fourth one is the matching. The first stage of our pipeline is called structured representation. Now, this is a stage which takes creative as an input and produces a rich structured representation as an output. The reason that we are interested in this rich structured representation and not just the simple content is because marketing material are created in a very creative fashion, and we are interested not just in the content present in the marketing material, we are also interested in the styles and different layout information which is present in the creative. The second stage is called creative comparison, in which we try to compare two creatives. In our case, the first creative would be the initial version, and the second creative would be the resubmitted copy of the creative. This stage involves two major steps. First step is we map components which are present in both the creatives based on the similarity. Once the mapping between the components is established, we then compute the difference between candidate components. Now, the next stage in our solution is understanding error comments. Typically, these comments are provided in free-form language, and it can be sometimes very difficult for a machine to understand and interpret these comments. What art does is it translates these comments to something called as pseudo instructions. These instructions are of the form actions on various objects. We generate these instructions using a combination of pre-processing and dependency. The final stage in our solution is the matching. The matching module maps differences between the two creatives to the error comments. We propose two matching approaches here. The first technique is forward matching. This matching helps establish cause effect relationship between the error comments and the differences. We also propose a second technique called reverse matching. This matching technique is useful if we could not generate a dependency parse tree in understanding error comment stage. So in this matching, we map difference along with its context with error comments. Finally, we generate a report which provides information about comments which are validated along with evidence and comments which could not be validated and requires reviewers attention. Now I will demonstrate our tool for creative review automation process. We upload the creatives which are needed to be reviewed. We are now looking into the creative one view. The left hand side of this view shows the actual creative, which is scrollable. The right hand side, on the other hand, shows the structured representation of the creative. As you can see, we have broken down the entire content in the form of components, individual components. And these components are structured so that they maintain the spatial information. Along with displaying these components, we also tag each of these components with contextual information. We tag the components with the type of its content. It could be content, it could be footnote or disclosure. We also give a unique number to each of these components. In order to start reviewing the documents, the reviewer can first go and click on Compare All Blocks button. The tool highlights the differences between various components present in the creatives. We use red and green color combination to highlight something which got removed and something which got added to the second creative respectively. We also show a difference summary on the right hand side pane where each of the difference present in between these two creatives are shown as one row, and these rows are navigable, meaning a click on it would get you to the appropriate difference. You can see the tool offers a lot of help to the reviewers to spot the differences which could have been missed by naked eye. The tool also offers other modes of comparison. The first one is selective compare, where it gives the users the flexibility to only work with the components that they are interested in. And it would highlight the differences. The second mode of comparison is called targeted selection. This allows the user to crop out a section from the two creatives and work with that section alone. As you can see, we were able to extract the text from the sections which the user had selected. And once the text is extracted from those sections, the user can click on compare all blocks to identify the differences, overall differences between the two creatives. Final and most widely used feature by the reviewer of this tool is called the report. I'll click on this button called view report. It will show a report on the right hand side pane. This report shows all the error comments which the reviewer had provided on the first copy of the creative. The report essentially summarizes whether those comments were incorporated in the right hand side copy or not. The tool offers auto validation of those error comments. We provide a confidence level for each of those auto validation level. If it is low, it means that the tool is not very sure whether this comment got incorporated in the second version of the copy or not. If it is very high, it means that the tool is very confident that whatever changes the reviewer had recommended for the first version are now present in the revised copy. Confidence for the error comment is low or medium. We recommend the reviewers to manually validate whether those error comments were incorporated in the second copy or not. The report is navigable, that is, it takes you to the component where an error comment was incorporated. We also provide a detailed view of the entire report. This report allows the reviewer to look at each of these error comments and the error classification for each of these comment in detail, and also find the evidence that the tool suggests for it to be auto validated. So this was our solution, AI assisted review tool for creative review process. This tool is extremely useful for the reviewers as it offers them a lot of flexibility to compare two creatives. It also offers AI assisted recommendations whether the error comments provided by the reviewers were incorporated in the revised copy or not. Thank you for attending this session. I hope you had a good time understanding what a creative review process is and how our solution efficiently helps the reviewers in doing their review process.